Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favourite ever reheats in the air fryer, and that is reheating Impossible Quiche. It is just so amazing. This started off when we were putting a new Impossible Quiche recipe in our new cookbook, Air Fry Easy Every Day. And I reheated some because we had loads left over, and it tasted like warm flavoured bread. It was just so good. So I added it as a variation to the recipe, but I just had to share it with you because it's just so nice. So what I have here is I have some leftover quiche bites, which are brilliant as well for meal prep because you can just chop them up, have them like this, take them on picnics, take them to barbecues, take them to parties. The ideas are endless really, but what they're really good for is reheated in the air fryer. So if you just grab, you can do just one piece if you want. However many that you want to reheat, I'm going to go with that amount, you know, because you always just want a little bit for now. And then put them on. And you're looking for 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit and 2 minutes. And then press start.
Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details.
And we've beat. So let's check on them, shall we? Oh, and wow, these are amazing. And it's the texture on them that's the best. They're a bit hot on the fingers, but so nice. I mean, look at that. That's just amazing. And like I say, the best way to describe them is think of them as flavoured bread, and you know, they're perfect for your kids' packed lunches.
Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to RecipeThis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.